Good morning. Today is day 10, June 16, and today we are arriving in Naples, Italy. So our tour excursion for today is going to be Pompeii and Enchanting, Sorrento. We have arrived at Naples, Italy. And over there is Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas.
Tropical vibes are taking over.
The design, we cut all tiny pieces of wood in different colors until we get to the end of the design, where we leave a frame of wood around with a design cut in the center. So we can glue a piece of paper on the back and put in all the different pieces of wood in different colors, doing the design again. As you can see through the lights, once the inlay is ready, we glue it upside down on a solid piece of wood, and then it goes under a press. I suggest you to get matching everything.
5 layers of polyester.
This is the one that goes.
Where's your phone? Don't you? What did we buy? Wow. This one? Anthony, can you help me hold it? Take it out? You got the next one. Wow.
弟弟是聪明，那是饼干包，让我拍拍。饼干可能。这个呢？耶个耶耶耶耶耶耶。
Now that seems to be the main shopping road. is extra large. Papa nere. Papa nere.那是个 scavenger hunt 啥吧？
你要回家，你我那个门子呢，这个是带你上。
Wow, these pizzas are so big.
Okay.
Like PB bread.
Okay.
Oh my god.
이거 이제 세스입니다. 봐.
Where are we going? We're going to Pompeii.
Only men altogether took the bath there. Women separate, I told you. Double cross and double walls here as well. You see 3 niches on the walls there? In the center of the big niche we found a statue of a patrician, a noble man. The other niche we found the son of this man here. Well, this was the family, probably, we don't know exactly, probably this family sponsored.
Snakes for medicine.
The top was the hole in the floor, the marble seat and the set. Was about the tap, so water came out from the tap into the basin.
Oh,
When
no,
the
but
basin was
that's
full, water went
fountain.
down, you narrow channel, they see there, the water emptying down to the sea. There, with iron pieces on the rocks. They're non-iron. Iron was imported here from Asia Minor, from Spain, and that was imported from England. That's English lead. Some rose from England here, you can have it there.
are from Seychelles. We use 4 different shells imported now from Madagascar and Zanzibar. The most important are 2 seashells, the sardonic and the Cohinan shell. This one. For this work we take just the middle part of the shells and it has 3 different layers. Can I help you with that?
Oh yeah.
哎，你好。
远远看没有看清楚，我也看清楚。吃饭。
Now we're going to dinner.
有没有？ Thank you.
No ăn.
Yummy, yummy. For my tummy. 谢啦。
And then you got 2 chickens, 2 entrees. Wow.
Cái gì nữa? Phật chất.
Catastrophic.
These video 깔아까워.
Cool. Oh, we are
Are
safe.
you working in restaurant? Yes, smell.
We're at Blue Lagoon. This is the surprise that was left on the door for the last day. Not on the door, in the room. Wow.